That's it? You already done?
That's it.
I gave this to you 5 hours ago.
Yeah, and I'll tell you exactly how we did it, starting all the way back at the crime scene. Yep, it's a dead body.
Very, very dead body.
It's noon right now, about 19 degrees Celsius.
It seems the body is about 34.9 degrees Celsius. And there's an 11.1 inch footprint here. Now what?
Let's go to lunch.
Really?
You know it. Alright, let's use some math that Sir Isaac Newton did. Well, if we use this equation, T equals S plus the quantity I minus S to the E to the power of negative K to the T, where T is the temperature of the body, S is the surrounding area temperature, I is the initial temperature of the body, and K is the rate of cooling, we can see what time, lowercase t, the body was dead.
I gathered the suspect before we came over here. We got Dan the Man, Jake the Jock, Peg the Leg, and Lulu. It's been an hour. Now the body is 34.3 degrees Celsius.
So with this, we now substitute some values in the equation. T will be 34.3, S will be 19, I will be 34.9. Since the average temperature of people is 37 degrees Celsius when alive, that will be 37, and T will be 1. If I try to solve for K, or the cooling rate, I get about 0.0385. So now that we know the cooling rate, we can plug it back into the equation, and now solve for T, adjusting the equation with 37 degrees Celsius. We now get 4.22, as in 4.22 hours earlier. So about 4.22 hours before 1 o'clock would be 8:47 a.m.
With these suspects, we know that Dan is 5'9", Peg is 5'6", Jake is 6'1", and Lulu is 5'1". If we use forensic science and take 15% of the suspect's height, we can approximate the length of their feet. So Dan's is about 10.35 inches, Peg's about 9.99 inches, Jake's is 10.95 inches, and Lulu's is 9.15 inches. Now, considering that Lulu's data is inconclusive because she is not full grown yet, it appears that Jake is the closest with only 0.06 off from the foot discovered at the crime scene.
And that's how we did it.
Yeah, boys! That's how